Yeah.
But this, you start with
Because like if you have a curved mirror, right? There's a focal point.
Yeah. Everybody would see a different point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So spherical lenses. Here's the issue with this: spherical lenses. If you were to shine a light on a spherical lens, it goes off the mirror, and the focal point turns into a focal line, unless it's a parabolic mirror.
You gotta do these experiments and see how does it relate to the Earth. Go out to the ocean, do that. Go to a lake. Is it really curved? See, that's what you got to figure out. This is 200 proofs, the 200 proofs video, and all these numbers coincide with what's on the video. So you'll see a lot of these pictures on that video. Okay, I added a few more because, like here, this is my friend over in the UK. He does this over in the UK. Okay, and he sets up his level.
For 2 months.
So he's there. But yeah, there's different sides, and you got to research it. You got to look really into it.
All right. Sounds
Thanks for stopping, guys. Yeah. This is the flat Earth. We researched it, and it's evidence.
It's evidence?
Yes, that's the evidence we came up with.
By who? By government? Any government?
No, we're not for the government.
Okay.
The government teaches you lies.
Okay.
Like this is NASA. This is what they get. This is spacewalks, and this is inside this ISS. They say, oh, we're weightless, but they're really doing other things. Even.
So what about Russia there?
What do you mean, Russia?
It's like Russian buildings right here.
Oh, well, yeah, but they're supposed to be pointing up to a satellite. They don't point up, they point out.
Yeah,
There's no satellites up there.
What do you mean no satellites?
No satellites. They're all on weather balloons.
So nobody in the Earth there?
Here, I'll show you how it works. Stand, put your nose about here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is moisture in the atmosphere. Watch. Tell me when it sets. It goes away, it sets, it goes down. Yeah, it goes down because that's what we think we see.
Yeah, you just move it away.
Yeah, but it's not going away. I mean, it's not like this. It's going down because of the moisture in the atmosphere. And yeah, if you watch the time-lapse video that's on here, you'll see it go away, get smaller, 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 smaller. Because we had too much moisture right here. We're near water. You go out where there's no water and it'll look different. Yep. There's a lot to this. The 200 proofs match up with the video numbers on there.
So they're all astronauts, they're liars.
Yeah, yes they are.
The Red Bull commercials, they're liars as well.
Did you ever see the Red Bull commercial? And look
Did you see this guy who Red Bull, he jumped from atmosphere?
Yes, Mac or whatever his name was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look inside when he first opens the door. You'll see the horizon is straight. But then when he goes outside, then it's curved. You look at that.
I will
Look at
research
that. Do you have a question?
Oh no, I'm just kind of checking things out.
Okay, well I have this if you want to look stuff up on your own. Do you have a question?
So my question is, satellites, their main purpose is to broadcast like Wi-Fi and data all over the place. Like, how would that work if they can't send stuff up into space?
Well, there's two things you can do. You can bounce things off the atmosphere. You can. And also there's a dome up there.
Oh.
Did you know about that? Did you ever hear about that?
No.
Did you ever investigate lightning sprites? S-P-R-I-T-E-S, sprites.
No.
Lightning sprites come off of the dome.
Oh, okay.
It's fascinating to watch the lightning come off the dome.
Okay.
And so it is up there, okay? Now you can bounce things off of that.
So you're saying like the satellite dishes that are aimed up, they're just bouncing off of the dome?
Possibly, yeah. But here, these are all aimed at a tower. It's all a tower system, ground-based.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's possible to do other things, but that's for a different purpose. They aren't doing our TV off the dome. And look up this one too. Instead of gravity, I think it's diamagnetism. We're not being pulled down, we're being pushed down. You know, there's electricity up there.
Yeah.
It's free flowing. I think that's what's charging our sun. So look into this.
Yeah.
Start the journey.
Okay.
Thanks for stopping. Thanks for stopping. You can take a picture, but all these will be on the video too. I love it when kids ask questions. Did you ever hear this before? You can look it up at home. This is awesome. I love it.
You got people from all over the world come right here.
That's right. Do you speak Spanish?
I understand it better than I speak. I speak a little bit.
Because that girl that was here, she spoke Spanish. And every time I heard somebody speaking Spanish, I said, come over here. Come over. Because I couldn't communicate with them.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll get it.
You can put stuff underneath there if you want. I don't think it'll be disturbed. You can put shit underneath the...
I don't want us to think, oh, we cause a problem.
Oh, that was trash, yeah. Yeah, I don't want your trash. That's awesome. Do you use that like a magnifier or a wide-angle lens?
It flips the image.
That is awesome. Yeah, that's what they do. That's what NASA does to get the curvature of the Earth.
Yeah, that's why I thought this was such a cool picture.
Yeah. That is awesome. You can look this stuff up at home. Do you want her to not have it? Okay. Oh, you can take it? Good girl. Here, we have videos. You can look these up when you get home.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Did you ever hear of the flat Earth? I mean, you look into it yet?
No.
Okay, well, look into it. It's really fascinating.
Thank you.
Whoa.
There's nothing around.
You want to research the flat Earth? You gonna make it, Dave?
It's ridiculous. If we do this banner setup again, which I think we should, off the top, have like a board that meets the thing, double-sided research flat Earth. So maybe like either squared off or rounded at the top, something fancy. Draw your eye.
Oh, the dome.
I can do the dome. I can
Do this. You know what those banners we have? I didn't measure it yet, but I was thinking of that.
the 3x5.
I know, but what is it from the edge of the dome to the edge of the dome? Is there 6 inches on each side, maybe?
It could be.
So that would make it 4. You leaving? Oh, okay.
We've been out here since yesterday.
Okay.
So, well, I said I was going to be out here already, so.
All right.
New Jersey came
Good
out
job.
here,
Take some new cards.
so. Oh, nice. I like these. Awesome. Thank you for that.
All right.
Yeah, so what we were...
Excuse me. Did you ever hear this before? I have all the research. You can look it up when you get home. Want one?
Sure.
Sure. It's awesome. You can research. It's really a thing. Flat Earth. It really is. I've been studying it 2.5 years. And that video, 200 proofs, will start you off.
Okay.
Just look. No. I'll debate you right now. No matter what your education is, I will debate you. Yeah, like a pizza. Here, you can look it up when you get home. I have all the information you need.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys ever look into the flat Earth right here?
No, thank you.
All right. Here, this is a research flat Earth
Yeah,
information.
but the Earth is round. It's
Like a
pretty,
pizza.
It's pretty well known.
Like a pizza. You never looked into it.
There's a good saying, condemnation. Have you heard the saying?
Like a
condemnation
pizza.
before investigation.
Like
is
a
the highest
pizza.
form of ignorance. I'm not
I
trying
bet
to
you
be-
she's heard of it.
Guys, listen seriously. Have you heard that statement, that quote before? It's and I'm not. I apologize.
Flat Earth information. Yeah.
Awesome, thanks.
You didn't want it before. Now you changed your mind. That's
Yeah, I
good.
changed my mind. I think
I'm
it's
glad.
fascinating, really.
It is very fascinating. Get a six-pack, sit down, watch it with your buddies, and say, "Wow, could that be real?" And this time-lapse video, it'll make you gasp, like,
Oh, yeah.
really? I'm not kidding. I've been researching it 2.5 years. My dad was a pilot, flew off aircraft carriers, and he was a math teacher. My son was a physics major. I was a business economics major. So I'm educated.
Yeah.
And I've studied this, and it's flat.
That's crazy.
No, and we go around and teach it now.
Oh, I always thought it was cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's because you never looked into it, dear.
Yeah, I've never really
Yeah.
bothered to look at it.
Yeah. And your hormones are raging, so you're saying all these,
Check it out.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. See ya. Research the flat Earth. Research the flat Earth. Flat Earth. Hey there. How are you? Oh, it's so nice to meet you. I'm glad you came by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say bye to them because I didn't
Okay.
know you guys were having this here. I
Oh.
was supposed to be at work.
Well, I hope you met up with some of the guys who live
did,
around here.
I did.
Good, because I
Yeah.
wanted a group to form.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Good, thanks.
To work.
What time is it? I don't know. 2? Oh. I was only going to stay till 3, but you think we can make it? Whenever I run out of these papers, that's when we'll go.
What did you? Is that yourself right there? The television?
It's Dave's.
Oh, okay.
I wonder where he parked.
I thought he.
Oh, I got to remember to stand up straight, especially when I'm on video. I look like I have a big belly.
Well.
Yeah, so I got to
get 20
stand up
pounds to
straight.
lose, so.
Mine is from slouching. I get tired and I go,
I
ugh.
do a lot of driving, so I'm behind the wheel most of the time.
So am I still doing this? Oh my gosh, it is. I got a lot of footage on here. That's good. Research flat Earth. Did you ever hear of the flat Earth? You can look at this, look it up when you get home. There's videos at the bottom. No? Here, there's a video at the bottom, and then you can look that up. I don't know, Dave. I'm getting low on these cards. Say what?
I like to
Yeah.
I pay taxes.
Oh.
There are people out there who do not like paying taxes. They do not pay taxes.
I wonder-
They to take consequences of actions.
About the same size.
A man stands here, complains, and goes on and pays taxes. For a man who does not believe in what he says. If you pay your taxes, then you have no moral ground to stand here and speak.
What? What? What?
You stand here and say you do not believe in your taxes, you think they're worthless, but you go home and pay them because you are not willing to stand behind your words.
So do you just not pay them?
He himself
No,
said
no.
that, he himself said that he
I'm
does not
looking
believe.
into- I'm looking
You're looking into
in
it. Stop paying.
to stopping paying
You can stop paying.
Well,
today.
no.
Say
You
no.
can't do that because they have a military. They're armed. They come after you.
Come to your house with
That's
guns.
right. I know
You
somebody
take the
who spent.
consequences of your
Have you seen-
actions.
No.
Have you looked on YouTube lately
willing
about
to
the
take
police?
the
See
consequences
these,
of your
see
actions?
these guys right here?
Do you understand what
Public
consequences?
We are standing against taxes by doing this.
You're paying your taxes.
We're standing
If you do not
against them.
believe in your taxes, do not pay your taxes. It is very simple.
No, you don't. I don't. You can look all this up when you go home. You want to look that that stuff up when you get home. It's all got videos on there. You can look it up about flat Earth. Oh, that's so cute. Oh! What is it, Fiji? $3? Thank you. You're different than the guy. Here, that's what I'm doing. Sorry. Excuse me.
If any one of you was standing here without paying taxes and saying, willing to say, I do not pay my taxes, I will take the consequences of my actions, come arrest me if you want, I will stand.
You can look this up when you go home. I have the videos at the bottom. Are you together? Or
Yeah, we're all together.
Okay, great, thanks. You can look this up when you go home. I have videos at the bottom. Okay? If you have a question, I can answer it. But it's true. This is a flat Earth map. North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. This is the United Nations logo. They all use a flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. Why is that?
She has no conviction.
Why is that? Yeah, look it up. It's really fascinating.
You can stand there all you want. It's like, just move on. Taxes. How do you pay them?
You can look this up when you go home. Do you want to look it up when you go home? It's about the flat Earth. Where are you parked?
Right up 58. Just half a block
58?
away. Yeah, we're 48. I'm sorry.
Oh, 48.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're like 58.
Because pretty soon, I mean, maybe it's like 2 o'clock now, right?
Yeah, you ready to close up?
2:30 or 3?
I was finally talking to people. I finally started having a good time.
Good.
I was miserable for the first 2.5 hours.
Aww.
I was, especially, and I was watching you having all those crowds of people. I'm like, jealous. I'm like, no, I was happy. I'm telling you, I was happy. But
I think we're slowing down now, so I think people are not coming out.
Yeah.
Maybe it's too hot.
yeah, it is hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you guys are at least in the shade there, so that's good. I don't mind.
Yeah.
My guys, feel the
I researched flat Earth. Researched the flat Earth. Sure you can.
Flat Earth. Well,
Yeah.
this is good to know.
Do you want me to tell you about it?
I'm not. Well, I can't. I don't have time to read it, but
That's okay.
I have one question. Who built the flat Earth?
A creator.
Okay.
Yeah, whoever that is, you have to figure it out.
Okay. All right. So he was. All right.
That's as far as we go. We don't preach religion, you know. We just say a creator.
I'm just curious.
Yeah.
I'm a curious guy.
Yeah. Well, you know, that's a sign of intelligence,
I'm
you know.
I'm a truth searcher.
Me too.
And I don't like to criticize people because I don't have the fact about whether the
Right.
Earth is flat or not.
Right.
I don't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. So
You know,
we
but-
look into it. We go teach it.
But if it's true, it's like, wow, okay. So
Yeah.
I've been living here for a long time.
Me too. Thanks for asking. Here, you can look this up when you go home. I have all the videos at the bottom there. Do you have a question? Because I can answer it for you.
So then you'd fall off?
No, no. No, actually, this is Antarctica. That holds in all the oceans. You'll see that on the video, 200 proofs right here that you can watch at home. But this is the flat Earth map. North Pole's in the center. And Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. This is the United Nations logo. They all use a flat Earth map. They don't put Antarctica on there. They don't want you to know it actually goes around the outside edge. So if there is a sphere with, you know, round, you have to know how far out and how far down. So you have a formula for that. And this is how we figure that out.
Okay.
And this is the formula, 8 inches times a mile squared.
Equals the drop.
Yes, so we should not see Chicago across Lake Michigan, 60 miles.
So it should go down.
When we are taking these banners to Ocean City, we should not see the water towers in Wildwood 20 miles away either. And we can see them on a clear day. We can see them clear.
All right, I'm going to look at that. That's
Watch that video. You better have a bottle of wine and sit down.
Really? Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for stopping.
Yep.
Oh, excellent, excellent.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. He's got a few. When he's done.
I'm handing these cards out everywhere in Westchester County. I'm going to put them right at the crab shell. Right on the menu. Yeah. No, it's a restaurant crab shell.
Are you going to go? Thank you so much for coming by. Yeah. Okay.
He's got a lot of great ideas.
Yeah, great.
Yeah,
Wait, somebody said to go over to the shore. Was it Rockaway Island or something? Yeah, I hear it's like a resort and they have a boardwalk. That's a great place to do it.
The island's nice and close to.
And the ferry ride is really awesome.
Even Shoals Beach, I mean, we go to a Cedar Beach, it's right across the way from Democrat Beach. It's so flat, you know, it's like it's one of the, probably the biggest areas to really show because you've got no obstruction,
Yeah.
you know, and you've got the boats
I can see
disappearing on the
there's
shore.
on the bridge, like right to the bottom.
I even let everybody look at my camera. I was sitting there on the ferry.
You have a 900?
I'm selling it.
Oh.
I'm getting the 1,000.
How much you selling it for?
I got it on my
camera, that's my own eye. I'm like,
somebody gives me
look at that telescope.
Wait, let me get this guy here. Where is he? Here. Here. Sit. Come stand next to the display because there's people there looking and we need to hand those out. Oh, look, he chased them away. No, just kind of hang around here because anybody, look, give it to that guy. You can look it up at home. This is a video, 200 proofs.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Woo! If you had a round disc, you could, like a round circle at the bottom.
On the end there. Yep. The box on.
Oh, you have a box? Yeah, that's right.
Box straight up.
Take a picture because you have to watch the video that's at the bottom. So take a picture. Okay, good job. I don't know how people can watch this and say it doesn't Did you ever see this? This is why you think the sun sets. Oh, we're in the shade now here. People are taking pictures. That's great.
That's what we're going after. People that are.
Yep.
I want to talk to my son.
Take a picture and then look up the video. There's a video. What's your name again?
My name is Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, right here. Hey, you can look this up at home. It has all the videos at the bottom. Did you ever hear about it before?
Yeah, like heard about it a bit, but never actually like.
Yeah. Do you have a question? Because I can answer your questions.
No, I'm just looking. Like, I've just heard it before, but never actually like seen information on it.
Okay, so where are you from?
England.
England. We have a huge English group over the UK. F-E-U-K-E-R-S. Fukers, they call it.
Like, what's your beliefs like? So the Earth's flat, like.
Yes.
What and they've been lying to us. What they've been lying to us about that the Earth's round.
Well, see, they want to treat us like on here it says, if they teach us lies, it's the same thing as being uneducated.
Yeah.
So the kings didn't used to let the serfs learn how to read because educated people are hard to control.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's what they're doing. They're teaching us lies, making us think that we're really smart when we're really not.
Yeah. I got you.
So that's the flat Earth map. Did you ever see that before? Here? North Pole's in the center, and Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. United Nations logo, they all use flat Earth map, but they don't put Antarctica on there. They don't want you to know it goes around the outside. If there is a sphere, there has to be a mathematical formula for how far out and how far down. We figured out this way with Pythagorean theorem, and that's it right there, 8 inches per mile squared. We should not see Chicago across Lake Michigan, 60 miles. It should be all hidden, and we can see it. So, look, a reflection. On a flat surface is a line. That table. If it's on a sphere, curve, you only get a spot. And you can do that experiment at home with glossy paper. So they are lying to us. You have to study perspective because you don't know how your eyes work at a distance. Yes. So I have an experiment right over here if you want to see it. It'll show you.
I'm going to see Broadway at 3, so I need to get some food, but I was just interested.
Yeah. So watch that video and you'll see 3 videos I have on there and it'll like really open your mind.
How do you watch it?
You go on YouTube. You know how to get on YouTube?
Yeah,
yeah. And there's the 3 videos I recommend. I'm glad you stopped, girls. Have a great day. Take a picture and watch this video. All the numbers are on the video. Were you looking at this? Because I can make you show it how it works.
The gauge pride. Yeah. Like, you know, we just said, oh, shit's forgiveness back then. Like, I didn't really think anything of it back then. But, like, you know what? It's.
How you doing, Sonny?
That's one.
Yeah. Good thing I moved back. He was walking. I don't know.
20 feet over here.
But I smelled him coming.
Come here more often. We can have more meetups.
This was fun. I enjoyed it.
It was like the best place. You have a lot of people getting more information.
Yeah. I wanted most of the New Yorkers to like meet together and you know.
We usually meet in Brooklyn though. We meet in Brooklyn and we get together.
That's good.
Flatter New York. It says meetup.com. Then you go there, you sign up there, and we have our group there.
It's a little far for me to come all the time.
Which part of New Jersey?
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, well, once in a while, if you feel free, then come here and then.
You should videotape one of your meetings and put it up on YouTube.
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, sometimes maybe we try to go like higher buildings so we can have a great view. Like, go to like a restaurant or a lounge and see the sun.
That's neat.
I made a video of it. I made a video how I was tracking the sun and how it was like going away at dusk.
Oh, good.
I made a video of that.
I will look it up.
Yeah, my YouTube username is Lord Sunny, but I think I commented in your channel.
Oh, I think I did see it. Yes.
Yeah, I have some videos of it.
I will. All right. You make sure you get it in my head.
I've also talked to Mark Sargent.
She's asking me what is your point with that particular-
Perspective. It's showing you how your eyes work at a distance. Okay, so some people think the sun goes like this, when it really goes like this, like a straight line. See, but the way we look at it, we think it goes higher. In the distance, it looks lower. And I can demonstrate that over here on my easel thing. But this is something we don't understand. You have to study it. It took me 2 weeks to get it in my thick head.
And then if you like remember all the motion I kind of mentioned to you guys too, we're moving at 500,000 miles an hour.
Hey, we got people over here. Get them cards.
Oh, you want some more?
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, we don't want to litter. I'm not going to.
Okay. Go over around that side and give it to him.
So anyway, yeah.
One more?
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys.
Look and watch the video at the bottom. 200 proofs. Well, it's real. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's a card. You can look it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, can I put this in your pocket? There you go. What's going on over there? What's that about? Oh.
That one of those.
Like a street performer.
Performing.
Yeah. Are we packing up? I think we're going to pack. What do you think? I'm tired. You want to pack it up? You think they'll be able to get our car out? We'll go tell him, and then we'll go get something to eat and kill time. What do you think? Anybody want to go with us to get something to eat?
So how long are you guys staying in here, in New York?
Oh, well, we're going to just get something to eat and go.
I don't even think I met you. I'm Dave.
I'm Sonny. I'm Sonny. I just have a channel to Lord Sonny.
Oh, okay, cool, man. Cool,
And he's Zoom Truth.
I think I commented in your channel. Yeah, Zoom Truth.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I'm Lord Sonny. I commented in your channel.
Oh, very cool.
We have a meetup group in New York.
Oh, I do know you. I do know. Yeah, I remember you from the comments section. Absolutely.
I also do some videos about like how the flat Earth.
Yeah, I'll have to Well, it's more. Man, I want to I'm so tired.
Where you live?
Tired yesterday, right? Yeah. Out in New Jersey.
New Jersey? How far? Like how long?
Oh, not too bad. Like an hour. I think it was like an hour and a half.
Oh, nice. So
Door to door too.
Whenever you're like available, you can come up here and we have some meetups here. We have meetups.
Yeah, I'll try to.
Usually like in Brooklyn, we hang out in Brooklyn and maybe sometimes here.
Yeah.
Like high rise, we go to high rises and we have a nice place.
That would be fun.
Yeah. I'm paying for food these days. Although I really hate traffic. And up here it is. Yeah. But I can deal with it every once in a while for sure. I'm out. Meet some people who are like-minded. Yeah.
We got some
really don't have that many people to talk to anymore.
Especially when it's wintertime and you can't be outside.
Oh yeah. Well, that's why I want to move. I'm ready to hit Florida.
I don't blame you at all. I met my friends from Florida.
Yeah, my parents moved down to Sarasota. I visited them. I was like, why am I moving? I just got to finish fixing up my house as soon as it's done. I should be working on my house right now. Because I'm
You have natural gas?
Sorry?
You have natural gas?
We have, what do you mean? Oh.
When the house blows up, you leave.
No. I can sell it. I think. I think we'll make a little bit of money on it. So that'll help finance the next year. That's what I want to get. I want to have to move debt. Oh yeah, that's my newest thing. I don't care if I live in a tiny little shack. I ain't gonna have no debt anymore. I'm done real estate. I want to be done. I should say. I don't think I'm gonna be done.
A tiny house.
Tiny taxes and nearby somewhere where there's a bunch of people who I can grab and try to wake up. You guys going out to eat? Going out for food? Yeah. I'm gonna blast out.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'd like to hang, but I'm so tired.
I'm never tired. I'm trying not to be tired.
Yeah.
Always energetic.
Yeah, no.
I cut off all the GMOs, all the...
I have, yeah, man, I'm
all
down.
paleo.
What should we do?
Paleo.
I got a whole bunch. I didn't even get a chance to
Should we take the stuff down to the car, or?
Well, I guess we should try, but where were we going to eat anyway?
I don't know. I figured all we have to do is get our shit to the car or there and double back.
If we ate right there, it wouldn't matter, right?
We're right here?
Yeah. New York City hot dogs?
No, it wouldn't matter.
Unless you want to get something really, like, big.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Because we can leave it set up and eat there.
Well, at least it wasn't too hot here.
Maybe we could go check with the garage guy and tell him we're going to be ready in an hour and a half. He's not going to be happy, but...
Well, do you want me to walk down and...
Yeah, why don't you tell him that we'll be ready? What time is it now?
I'll hopefully be better for another one. I'll hang for sure if you guys got next time.
2:30. So I'd say like...
4 o'clock. Tell him 4 o'clock.
Finally got one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Make up an excuse.
Somebody's died. Oh wait, this restaurant. Oh, I got it.
It's good we can't get a crowd like that.
Yeah, right? Well, you know, man, had some crowds today.
You were looking for any place here to eat, or where you were?
Well, yeah, we were wondering.
I can find some nice places, like.
Well, we didn't know what to do with the stuff while we were waiting. So if we can take our stuff to the garage.
Do you want me to help you with anything at all?
Yeah, but Dave went down to tell the guy like 4 o'clock-ish.
Okay.
So we got to figure out where we can put the stuff in the meantime.
You guys brought the car?
Somebody carried that because that's no, you just hold this for 1 second. Marilyn, where are you parked?
Half a block that way.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's oh, fine. I'll carry it. You want to carry that one? Yeah. Carry this.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, you just had to have any help, right? No, we'll be good, I think. Once I get going.
Yeah, your strap is too tight. It won't let them go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we put our stuff down there, like behind his little box? Find out if we can put our stuff there.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Oh, it's Dave.
Hi, did you ever see this before?
No.
Like, stick your nose like about this level. There you go. This is how the sun sets. See it go away? It went down? Okay. But it's on a flat surface. It's because there's moisture that magnifies it. And it makes it look like it goes down when it's really just going away. See, we live on a flat surface. And you could look that, oh, not that one.
That's flat.
Here.
So what are you saying? The Earth is flat?
Yes, sir. Yes, we've been researching this 2.5 years for me, and now we go out and teach it. We go all over. And there's a New York group. We're small, but we're growing. I do Eastern Pennsylvania. I run 2 groups there, and in New Jersey, and so yeah. You watch this video.
So when you're out in space and you look at the Earth.
What space? You mean the space where the guys are in the pool?
They do eventually jump over the people.
And you see bubbles going up their helmet because they're out in outer space doing a spacewalk.
So you don't believe in space?
I have seen the evidence. That's the problem. But if you never research this, you never look into it, and you just believe what they tell you, then you believe in outer space.
Every bit white chocolate, dark chocolate. So
you got to look into it. I think telling lies to children is child abuse.
Yes.
I think he came for a book. He might have.
I know a guy named Alex Lowry.
Yeah. I don't know him, but I know who you're talking about.
There's a video that corresponds with all these pictures, see? 200 proofs. And you can watch the video on there. You can find it through that website. You ever hear of it before?
No.
Oh, yeah. It's real. I've been studying it for 2.5 years. And now I go out and teach it.
Okay, where?
Well, we're in Times Square today.
Okay.
We've been to Ocean City. We've been to Center City, Philadelphia.
Yeah.
We've been Point Pleasant. We've been in Jim Thorpe in Pennsylvania. We go all over.
Okay.
Yeah, there's groups that are forming, and we're growing.
That's good.
So just watch that video, and that'll start you off.
I wish I could. I lost my phone last night. So.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Go to the library.
Did you get a GPS tracker?
Yeah, but it's like completely dead.
Oh, so. Yeah, take a look at this.
Oh, I wonder if that's... Okay, I think I'm...